Today we'll talk about how can you enable hidden balances on your Olymptrade app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click on settings, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on platform, just click on it. So then you go down, you come here to hidden balances here. Click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that's mean hidden balances enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.